Today we continue our build-up to the launch of the 2019 National Science and Maths Quiz. I guess we're not talking about that right now because we're focusing on the Eastern region, but we're joining Roland Walker, who is at the Black Star Square. Okay, apparently we're doing Maths and Science. Then just scroll up for me so I can read the rest. So yesterday we brought you the Central Regional qualifiers. Today our focus is the Eastern region. The region will be looking forward to defending its title this year. St. Peter's Senior High School, remember, won its third trophy in 2018, the region's fourth, after beating West Africa Senior High School by a point margin in the grand finale. 68 schools battled it out for 14 available slots for the region at the National. St. Rose's Senior High fell prey to underdogs Mount Sinai Senior High after they lost out in a tiebreaker. So here's Maxwell Kudako, my colleague in the Eastern region, with more in the following report.
It was a big surprise for many watching one of the female model schools in Ghana, St. Rose's Senior High School, defeated by a lesser-known school, Mount Sinai Senior High School, in the National Science and Maths Quiz. It appears the cliché of big schools dominating in intellectual battles is becoming a thing of the past. The contest, which was between St. Rose's SHS, Benkum SHS, Mount Sinai SHS, Bergro SHS, and Yellow Krobo SHS, was one of the keenly contested competitions and an interesting one. At the end of the contest, Mount Sinai SHS recorded the same points with St. Rose's SHS. There was a tie between the two schools, and Mount Sinai defeated St. Rose's in the runoff.
Joining the points A, -2.5, and B, 6, -9. Yes, St. Rose's? 2. That's incorrect. Mount Sinai?
2 minus 2.
You are right. At the end of the contest, Presby SHS Begor has 7 points. Yellow Krobo SHS has 15 points. Benkum SHS has 20 points. St. Rose's has 24 points, and Mount Sinai has 27 points. Congratulations, Mount Sinai.
71 schools in the Eastern region registered to compete in this year's National Science and Maths Quiz, but only 68 showed up at the contest. Out of the lot, 14 were selected to join 5 Cedar schools to represent the Eastern region at the national contest. Nifa SHS, Ibuakwa State College, Kwabeng Anglican SHTS, Oting Boateng SHS, Mount Sinai SHS, Pope John SHS, Asamankese SHS, Xavier SHS, Akwemuman SHS, Inkwetia Presby SHS, Osino Presby SHS, Ghana SHS, Adonting SHS, and Oforipenying SHS. The 5 Cedar schools are Koforidua SHTS, New Draben SHS, St. Peter's SHS, Krobo Girls SHS, and Ibri Girls SHS. The last contest between Kwewu Ridge SHTS, Edukrom Presby SHTS, Oforipenying SHS, Apegusu SHS, and Pentecost SHS was also exciting. Pentecost SHS struggled to make an impact, but came to naught. They had to substitute a contestant when the going got tough. Oforipenying SHS won the contest. A female student from Oforipenying SHS says the females would dominate this year's contest and show to the world that they have what it takes to excel in math and science.
We are ensuring you that at the finals, at least we'll get some girls also contesting, because as he said, it deals with hard work. So when we put it in our mind that the girls, the females especially, who are going to work very hard, we can come for the contest too.
Otibuatin Senior High School scored 74 points, emerging as the highest score in the regional contest. Mrs. Rachel Ano is the quiz mistress, and she tells JoyNews some weakness and strength she identified during the contest and advised teachers to work at it.
Generally, the students have done well, especially some schools aiming at 70 plus. That was a very brilliant performance. But when you look at the chemistry aspect of the rounds, especially round one, the chemistry balancing of equation, the more concepts, most of the schools were getting it wrong. So I believe their weakness was with chemistry and then a little bit of physics. But I believe when they put in more practices and then more of solving the past questions and stuff, they will do well.
All right, so that's the story about the Eastern region for you. Yesterday, we put the spotlight, the Central region, and here we are with the Eastern region, 19 in all, failing those sports. But remember that 5 schools were already seeded. So now we have Eastern region, done with Eastern region from Central Eastern. We'll tell you about the school coming up tomorrow. Just look out for that.